We're breaking down your fantasy football position players so you can start building your draft wish list. Today, we're taking a closer look at the quarterback position. These rankings are based on CBS Sports expert rankings. Starting with the #1 QB for fantasy, no surprises here, Kansas City's Patrick Mahomes. The Chiefs offense is bringing back basically the same group of weapons aside from Sammy Watkins. And Mahomes led the position group in fantasy last year, playing a full season and averaging 29.9 points per game. Up next, Buffalo's Josh Allen with an overall rank of 2.3. He ranked third among quarterbacks in fantasy points per game last season with a 29.3 average. The Bills also added to Allen's arsenal by bringing in Emmanuel Sanders to pair with Stephon Diggs, Cole Beasley, and Gabriel Davis. #3 on the CBS Sports expert rankings, Baltimore's Lamar Jackson. He's posted back-to-back 1,000 rushing yard seasons. He's projected to rank 4th among starters this season in standard leagues. And remember how I mentioned Sammy Watkins left KC? Well, he landed with the Ravens, an upgrade to this team's receiving core. Make sure you check out the full list of quarterback rankings in the online article, and we've got even more position players ranked. You'll find links to those within the QB list online. Katie Johnston for CBS Local Sports.